Here we have the Evo Orb by Ovia. This has the highest level of impact protection with an IK10 rating. The retaining lid screw ensures the bulkhead is tamper-proof. Options available include standard, microwave sensor, emergency, or microwave and emergency combined. The microwave version also features a step-dim corridor function, whereas the emergency version offers optional self-test using the dip switch on the emergency converter. The CCT function allows you to switch between 3000, 4000 and 6000 K. It is power switchable with 3 wattages available for selection. It comes with a clippable suspension wire that allows the diffuser to hang while you install the base, and to finish off, simply click the Molex connectors together for a quick and easy installation. There are fast fit terminal blocks for easy connection. The Evo Orb is BISA mountable and can accommodate M20 glands on 4 sides, with a 5-year warranty ensuring lasting performance and durability.